Hello students, Namaste. I am JVN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor in Department of Faculty of Education and Methodology. Program name MSc Mathematics second semester. Course name Numerical Computation and session name Probability and Probability Distribution. In daily life, we use word having similar meaning as word probability. For instance, there is a possibility of rain today. Perhaps I may pass exam in this year, etc. All these type of sentence suggest uncertainty. The mathematical measures of this uncertainty is called probability. So we can say probability is nothing but it is numerical value of happening of an event. Terminology in this regard, first of all, number one, random experiment. Experiment in which the outcomes may not be predicted beforehand are known as the random experiment. Next one, sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called the sample space. This is usually denoted by the set S. For example, we can say suppose we have a coin and toss the coin, we get two possible things, either it may head or tail. The set S having two elements, head and tail. This is the sample space. Again, suppose we have a dice. Whenever we toss the dice, we will get either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. These 6 elements, the set of all these 6 elements is called the sample space. Next one, sample points. The element of the set responding a sample space are called the sample points. Suppose we have tossed the dice and event having point 2, then occurrence of point 2 is called the sample point. Similarly, we have tossed the dice and getting 5. So occurrence the event getting 5 is a sample point. Next one, events. A subset of sample space is called an event. In other words, every subset A of the sample space S is an event of the random experiment. Since the empty set phi subset of S and S also subset of S, so that phi and S is itself the event. That is impossible event and sure event. Phi is impossible event and S is the sure event. Next one, simple event. If the sample space S of an event contains only one sample point, then such an event is called a simple or elementary event. Next one, composite event. If the sample space S of an event contains more than one sample point, then such type of event is called the composite event. Next one, independent event. Here there exist two events. Two events are called independent if occurrence of one does not affect occurrence of others. Suppose we have a pack of uh, we have a let us suppose we have a pack of cards. Pack of cards having 52 cards. Suppose we have to draw one card from the pack of card. This is one event. After replacing of this card, we can draw another card. This is again an event. Second event does not affect one and first event does not affect second. So such type of event is called the independent event. Next one, mutually exclusive events. Two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive if they cannot occur together, that is simultaneously. We express this by writing A intersection B is equal to phi. That is, intersection of A and B is empty set. It means if the intersection of both set will be null set, then such type of event is the empty uh, event or mutually exclusive event. Next one, definition of probability. The probability of the event A, which is related to the experiment E with n equiprobable outcomes, is the ratio between the number of favorable outcomes to the event A and the number of total equiprobable outcome, that is probability of an event is equal to Na upon Ns. N is the number of elements in that particular set. Since the number of favorable outcomes for the event A to occur is R, the number of favorable outcomes not to occur will be n minus R. Therefore, again we can write P A bar is equal to n A bar upon ns. That is, n A bar is equal to n minus R upon n. So it is clear that probability of an event and the probability of bar of an event is equal to 1. The derivation is r upon n plus n minus r upon n is equal to 1. After addition we get 1. Example, if two coins are tossed together, find the probability of getting at least one head. So, sample space, the element of sample space is HH, HT, TH, and TT. There is four possibilities. So, in this set, number of element will be 4. Event of getting at least one head, B A. The name of set will be A, or elements of set A will be HT, TH, and HH. It is because in problem there should be at least one head. So number of element in this set is 3. So probability of an event is equal to Na upon Ns. Number of element in set A is equal to 3 and number of element in sample space is equal to 4. So probability of an event is equal to 3 upon 4. For example, again, two dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of obtaining doublets. We are knowing well every dice has 6 faces. So we have two dice and the number of element in sample space will be 6 into 6 is equal to 36. And doublets will be getting 1 1, getting 2 2, getting 3 3, getting 4 4, getting 5 5, getting 6 6. These are the 6 element. So probability of an event is equal to number of element in the set A upon number of element in set sample space. So Na have 6 element and sample space having 36 element. It become 6 upon 36 and 6 upon 36 after solving we get 1 upon 6. So probability of occurrence is 1 upon